So you edited your photo, great color grading, you're really happy about it, but there's still something missing. You want to tell more with your photo. Don't worry, with this one tip, you don't need to be a Photoshop expert to turn your photo from this to this in just a couple of seconds. Whew, this is so exciting. Agnes here, and what if you travel for another rocking tutorial for you? If you're new to this channel, let me tell you, this is a multi-language one. It means that you can watch this video also in Spanish and in Italian. So you can go have some fun in my homepage. The thumbnails are the same, the title and description are in Spanish and Italian, so you can pick the one that you like and improve your listening skills in a different language if you like. But you landed here because you want to add some nice atmosphere to your shot. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly, and you'll be surprised with the final result. Okay, once you're done with your color grading, you want to create a new adjustment layer. Click right here where it says gradient. Choose the color that matches with your light source in your shot. Now let's add some transparency, sliding this to the right. And let's choose style, radial, and place the effect where the light in your shot is and scale it depending on how big the light in your composition is. And click OK. You can always go back if you need to adjust the position. Just double click on the adjustment layer icon and the same window will pop out. Crucial step now is changing the blending mode from normal to screen to reveal the details in your photo. Now let's grab the brush. Make sure that this square right here is set to black. You can easily press the X on your keyboard to switch it from black to white. Remember to use black if you want to hide and white to reveal. Make sure you have the white gradient mask selected. Set the opacity to 100% and start painting away what you don't need. We're only leaving some of this effect in the highlights and not in the shadows. Of course we don't like it like this, so how do we make it more realistic? Look, the only thing you need to do is adjusting the opacity of your brush. So first you start setting the opacity to 100% to paint away this effect on the edges of your light, and then the more you get closer to the original light source in your composition, the more you want to decrease the opacity so that you can have a sweet transition and make it more believable. And if you feel it's still too much, you can adjust the filling, reducing the opacity right here on the adjustment layer. And this is how it looks before and after. Now look at this photo that I took during my last solo adventure in New York. Here, I wanted to show the New York skyline at sunrise from the Brooklyn Bridge. I already love the way it looks, but look now at the difference once I apply the gradient fill on the street lights. Cool, right? This is one of my favorite tools, and I'm really happy that I'm sharing this with you because I use it most of the time, and it helps me to add this nice atmosphere and depth to my photos for a better storytelling, and it also adds more cinematic vibes. So now you know how to do that too. And if you want to achieve some nice cinematic vibes in your photos, there you go, click right here. I made a tutorial for you to teach you how to achieve this Hollywood style orange and teal tones in your shots in just 60 seconds. So you have it right here, and that tutorial with me, Agnes. I'll see you in the next one.